There it is, the American 1100, a difficult lock for a lot of people out there, and I'm going to introduce you to the 1100 trainer. Stay to the end of this and I will show you how to completely make this lock your bitch. We're going to get this sucker open and everyone's going to learn something. So, what is the 1100 trainer? It helps you attack the 1100. It comes with a pick that is specifically designed for the 1100. It is a monkey paw in 020. This is my preferred pick. What I like about it is that dimple in the end lets me get total control over each pin stack. And to make this a trainer and easier for everyone, I have laser engraved landmarks for each pin stack on the shaft of the pick, so you know where you are inside the lock as you're trying to pick it open. You're not going to be between two pin sets. You're going to be right under them lifting it up. The other thing that we've added is a top of keyway wrench. The top of keyway is critical for opening an 1100, and this has a perfect snug fit at the top of the lock. It has been cut in such a way that that nub will not rub against the first pin while you're trying to lift it, which is a nightmare if you have one that is cut too long. It's also coming with extra pins and extra springs because you can take the 1100 apart, and this is how you can make it your bitch, is making it easier to start with. So what do you want to do? Let's say it is, when it arrives, it's going to be a 5-pin. So let's say you want to make it a 3-pin. Well, Phillips goes down in there. You'll undo that screw and you can actually dump out the guts of the 1100, and in there is a core. This core we can actually fairly easily take apart. By doing so, you're going to make it easier to pick open. Don't make life difficult, make it easy. So what do? You're going to put the key into the core. You're going to turn it all the way around. You'll actually see the bottom pins all show up. You're going to cover 3 holes because we're going to make this into a 3-pinner for you. Dump out 2 bottom pins. Now you're going to take that key and rotate it part way. Don't turn it all the way back. If you do so, you're going to get those top pins firing in that empty spot that you just made. So the key should be in this direction. When it is like that, remove the C-clip from the back and slowly push the core forward out of the lock. You're going to get a top pin and spring that shoots out, top pin and spring that shoots out. Dump those out, and this is the critical part. Just do that slowly. Dump those out, C-clip back on, take a breath, put it down, have a drink, whatever you need to do to relax, and then assemble it back together. You now have a training lock that's an 1100, but it's a 3. And you could have done something else. You could have put a standard pin on the bottom to make it easier. Whatever you want to do, that's what the trainer is designed for. So what are you going to get in the end? Trainer does not come with a lock, to be clear. You are getting a monkey paw at 020 with landmarking laser engraved on it. You are getting a perfect top of keyway wrench for attacking the 1100. You're getting extra pins and extra springs. Time to make this lock your bitch. Get it done with the Sparrows 1100 trainer.
If you enjoyed this content, hit the like button, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. Sparrows out.